How to delete Wing account permanently. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Wing account permanently on the Wing app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open up the Wing app. Then here, once you're in the Wing app, you have to tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. And then here tap on settings in the top right corner. Then here you have to swipe down and you will see here delete my account. Tap on it and select any one of the reason to delete. After selecting a reason, tap on delete my account. Then here you have to write delete. After writing delete, tap on delete. Now here it says account setup still in progress. It is showing me because I haven't verified my account and my account is new. I just created this account to make a tutorial for you. But if your account is few days old and verified, you will not see this and your account will be deleted. So this is how you can delete your Wing account. Thanks for watching.